Welcome to my YouTube channel Sociocritic. I am Prashant Kumar. So we are discussing about the MCQ, multiple choice questions of social science 10th standard. So already two videos we observed, and here you have to keep in your mind that whatever the questions I had given there, not only watching that, you have to listen to me, because other than that, some other questions I will related to that I will explain. I will say that everything I can't give here. So some related to that while discussing, while explaining, I will say that one also have to listen. Okay. Yeah. So now today the problems of India and their solutions from this lesson. Important multiple choice questions. Let us see. The first one. An exclusive attachment or loyalty to one's own region or state is called communalism, regionalism, linguism, casteism. So it is one's own region. It is regionalism. Okay. So extreme or hatred towards other religion is called as communalism. So the religion you should be careful. And next question. The scheme enforced for the development of rural women was. For the rural women, it's a very important one. So Rashtriya Mahila Vimochana, Swayam Siddha, Balika Samriddha Yojana, Stree Shakti. It is a Stree Shakti, very famous one, Stree Shakti. Yeah. The worst challenge faced by India today is terrorism, colonialism, nepotism, brain drain. So that is terrorism. Yeah. Political corruption leads to celebration, crime, prosperity, honor killing. Political corruption leads to crime. Okay. Yeah. Terrorism can be called as extremism, regionalism, communalism, unemployment. It is extremism. Extremism. Communalism can be called as, terrorism is called as extremism. Okay. Then the problem, see here, communalism and terrorism. So here terrorism can be, so definition for terrorism, sometimes they will ask like this: fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence is called. Fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence is called terrorism. Okay, so that is terrorism. And so corruption, about corruption. So this is the definition for that corruption. Especially offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits. Offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits is called as dash. So that is corruption. Or it can be asked another way: misuse of public authority for personal gains. Misuse of public authority for personal gains is called corruption. Yeah. So like this. Okay. Then the problem that results in mutual distrust and threat is mutual distrust. We are not believing each other between the community. So this communalism, social groupism, political rivalry, or communal harmony. That is communalism. Okay. And the hate philosophy among the religious groups is propagated by hate philosophy between the religion. That is again, it is communalism. So different types it is possible. And communalism can be restrained positively through religious fundamentalism, proper secular education to children, public awareness, strong nationalist ideology. So it is proper secular education. Through that it is possible. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay. Next, next question. To impart justice to women, the government has constituted Women Commission, Women Cooperatives, Women and Children Development Department, Women Protection Act. So here Women Commission is the answer. Yeah. To impart justice for women, Women Commission was established. Yeah. Then next question. The program that has been implemented by the Karnataka government for the development of rural women. So again, already we discussed the same question, that is Stree Shakti. Okay, Stree Shakti. Among the women, say women development. So in that some questions especially, you should remember that who is the first president of India? Who is the first women president? First women president, Pratibha Patil. Who was the first women Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. First women governor in India, Sarojini Naidu. And first women chief minister in India, Sucheta Kripalani. So this one you should remember. Okay. And first women. Yeah. And next one, next question. The problem of unemployment and poverty has been increased by family welfare activities, rapid population growth, effective national population policy, and family planning. So here, problem of unemployment increased because of rapid population growth. Okay. Rapid population growth is the answer. Okay. And this is mainly about this lesson. Okay. And in this lesson, especially in the terrorism, one question may come. That is attack on Taj Hotel in Mumbai was on. So when terrorists attacked on Taj Hotel? 26 November 2007. 26 November 2007. So that is the answer for that. So this is about this lesson. Next, Indian foreign policy. Okay. In Indian foreign policy, first question. India is pursuing a foreign policy of her own in order to goodwill with the immediate neighbor, a good relationship with Pakistan, good friendship with all the nations of the world, and itself as a powerful nation. So which is the answer? So answer is good friendship with all the nations of the world. Okay. Yeah. Next question. The Indian foreign policy has been called as India's defensive policy, India's peace policy, Nehru's foreign policy, Nehru's security policy. So it's called as, yes, you are right, Nehru's foreign policy. Yeah. A vital role in molding foreign policy of India was played. Yeah. Cabinet ministers who in the foreign policy who play a very important role. Human Resource Development Ministry, Home Ministry, Foreign Affairs Ministry. So it is a Foreign Affairs Ministry. Foreign Affairs Ministry is doing that one. Next one. Total disarmament cannot be achieved because every nation, total disarmament not possible. Why? Wants to fight with others, wants to be powerful, wants to strike fear among other nations, requires her own defense forces. Yeah, it requires her own defense forces because of her own security risk. She has to protect herself for that purpose. Every country need. Yeah. Next question. Apartheid was greatly opposed by Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Gandhi of America, Abraham Lincoln. Yes, Gandhi of America is Martin Luther King Jr. Who is this apartheid in South Africa? The main person, it is Nelson Mandela. The foreign policy of India opposes imperialism. Why? Why India opposes imperialism? Because suffered under the British rule, signed Panchashila principles. It is a leader of third world nations, had trade contact with European countries, mainly because of suffered under the British rule. Already we suffered because of imperialism. Okay, so we oppose that. The problems we know. India successfully supported Nelson Mandela because India called Nelson Mandela as African Gandhi. Indian foreign policy is against apartheid policy. India is a leading member of UNO. India follows NAM, NAM, non-aligned movement. Answer is Indian foreign policy is against apartheid. Yeah, Nelson Mandela also opposing apartheid policy. Who is popularly known as African Gandhi? Yes, you know very well, very good. So it is the answer. I don't have to discuss about that. Nelson Mandela. Yeah. According to experts, every foreign country has its own foreign policy, internal conflicts, group of influences, anti-national groups need foreign policy. Many a times the foreign policy of India is also called as foreign policy of, so different way of asking question already discussed. The foreign policy of Nehru, Gandhi, Modi, Shastri. It is Nehru. Okay. Both India and China accepted Panchashila in the year. In which year both India and China accept Panchashila? That is 1944, 1954, 1964, 1974. It is in 1954. Who signed? From India, Nehru, and from China, Zhou Enlai. Yeah. India followed non-aligned movement NAM during freedom movement, during Second World War, during bipolar world, during Indo-China war. So it is, yes, you are right, during bipolar world. Yes, yeah. Next, so this is about foreign policy of India, and so some parts not there. Next, so another lesson, India's relationship with other countries. Yeah. Pakistan did not maintain cordial relationship with India because these nations have got geographical nearness. These nations have got common cultural heritage of military dictatorship and political instability in Pakistan. Pakistan is encouraging terrorism in India because of the military dictatorship and political instability in Pakistan. Pakistan did not maintain cordial relationship. Next, Indo-China relationship is based on dash principles: communist and Hindu principle, political and economic principle, Panchashila and Hindu Chini Bhai Bhai, democracy and equality. Yes, easy one. It is option C, Panchashila and Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. Okay. Partition of India in 1947 has led to the formation of China, Tibet, Pakistan, Australia. So it is Pakistan. There have been dash Indo-Pak wars. How many Indo-Pak wars were fought? 7, 9, 4, 3. Indo-Pak wars 3. Yes. When did China invade India? In which year? 1961, 1962, 1965, 1971, 1962, because of Tibetan crisis. The dash is largely casting a shadow on Indo-Chinese relationship. Yeah, Maoist terrorism, border disputes, infiltration of people, military activities. So it is a Maoist terrorism. India and the USA are both bound by the principles of Panchashila, world peace, democracy, foreign policy. Both work for world peace. Yeah. This is mainly about this one here. Actually, another question here in Indo-China, one question may come. The silk trade between China and India discussed in which book? That is Kautilya's Arthashastra. Okay, that one important one. And BRICS, 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 in which year was formed? 2015. Okay, this is mainly about this lesson. Actually, short answer questions less from that one. Next, another lesson, global problems and India's role. Yeah, in this one, let us see some questions. Which of the following is essential for the existence and development of an individual? Which is important one? Human right, economic right, social right, education right. Yes, you are right. That is human rights. Yeah. Throughout the history, man has struggled for the right because human rights are essential for the establishment of society, the establishment of kingdom, the all-round development of an individual, the protection of race and culture. It is a all-round development of an individual. Human rights, very important one. Discrimination based on race, color and nationality, trafficking of human being, dictatorships, denial of human rights, regionalism. So it is a denial of human rights. Yeah, discrimination based on race, color and nationality. It is denial of human rights. Next, Human Rights Day is celebrated on. Every year we celebrate Human Rights Day. It is 10th December, 5th June, 15th March, 15th August. So that is 10th December. Okay. General Assembly of UNO declared the human rights on 10th December. Is that one you know? We celebrate 10th December only. Just the previous question. Which year? 1947, 1948, 1949, 1950. 10th December 1948, General Assembly of UNO passed that human rights in its meeting. So this is about human rights, yeah, and economic inequality, yeah. Then arms race, it is there, but it is not so important there. Yeah. Okay. Next lesson, international institutions. Very important one here. Many multiple choice questions possible. The annual budget of UNO is to be approved by International Court, General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat. Annual budget, that is General Assembly, prepared by Security Council. Then the non-permanent members of Security Council are elected for the term of, see there are total 15 members in Security Council, 5 permanent members, 10 non-permanent members. Permanent members are permanent, so non-permanent members for how many years? 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 4 years. So it is 2 years. Okay. Yeah. Next question. The primary aim of the Security Council, that is solve the international dispute, settle problems of religion, solve problems of communal rights, see that justice is provided to all, mainly to solve the international disputes. Okay. The chief administrative office of the UNO is in which is the chief administrative office? Security Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council. Which is the chief administrative office? Where I didn't ask. Which? So that is a Secretariat. Yes. So where means that is New York. And UN was another one. When UN was established? So UN was established on 24th October 1945. 24th October 1945. And who are responsible for the establishment of UNO? The leaders: Winston Churchill of England, Joseph Stalin of Russia, and Franklin D. Roosevelt of USA. These three. That is important one. After First World War, League of Nations established. After Second World War, UNO was established. Okay. Yeah. So this is mainly about the beginning. So next here, let us move to the next question. The agency that deals with the promotion of science, education, and culture throughout the world is Science, Education, and Culture. UNESCO, UNCTAD, UNICEF, IMF. So that is UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. The name itself says. This is a popular humanitarian organization. UNCTAD, WHO, Security Council, UNICEF. That is UNICEF. Yeah. The agency of the UNO may be described as the central bank of central banks. That is IBRD, IMF, IDA, IFC. Yes, that is IMF. Central Bank of Central Banks, IMF. Okay. The agency of UNO that provides technical assistance for smooth international trade. WTO, GATT, UNCTAD, IBRD. That is UNCTAD. Yeah. Then headquarters of UNO is located at Paris, Geneva, Washington, New York. New York. See here, headquarters, important one. Each another one comes International Court of Justice. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Hague in Netherlands. Okay. Same way, this one also. Secretariat. Secretariat, New York is the main office. Branch offices, Geneva, Vienna, and Nairobi. 3 countries. Yeah. Then special agencies are the WHO, it may be, WTO, it may be, or IMF, IBRD, ILO, FAO. So its headquarters you have to list out. That is also important one. Next one. League of Nations was established to maintain peace, but it failed as the United Nations organization was established. Second World War broke out in 1939. The First World War was ended. The Cold War was started between US and USSR. League of Nations failed because Second World War started. The Second World War broke out in 1939. Yeah. Next question. The permanent members of the Security Council. Important one. Who are the permanent members of Security Council of UNO? So here many options are there, and that that only how to select. All the options looks very similar, but one will be the change. So USA, Russia, Britain, France, and China. Britain or UK they make you. Yes. So these are the permanent members of Security Council. Headquarters of WTO. I told headquarters important one. Geneva, Paris, Rome, or New Delhi. So it is Geneva. All the day-to-day administrative planning, organizing work of UNO come under the purview of Social and Economic Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship, Secretariat. It is a Secretariat. Okay. The organization that intends to economic progress of the family of nations. That is WTO, UNCTAD, IMF, UNICEF. So that is UNCTAD. Okay. The greatest achievement of the World Health Organization, WHO, elimination of plague, elimination of malaria, elimination of cholera, elimination of smallpox. Yes, you are right, smallpox. Headquarters of UNESCO, Geneva, New York, Paris, Rome. It is in Paris. It is like the cabinet of UNO. It is called as a cabinet of UNO. International Court of Justice, General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat. So it is a Security Council, which is known as the Parliament of UNO. That is General Assembly. Okay. It is also called World Bank. It's a World Bank. IMF, IBRD, WTO, UNICEF. So it is IBRD is known as World Bank. Okay. Yeah. Present Secretary General of UNO, Antonio Guterres. Okay. And here members, number of members, how many members are there in General Assembly? Each country they have to send 5 members and 1 voting power. In Security Council 15 members, 5 permanent members, 10 temporary members, and Economic and Social Committee 54 members. So this is the main one, and remaining same I told, mainly the headquarters you have to learn. Okay, so these are the important questions from these lessons. So in this video 5 lessons I covered. Remaining I will come soon in front of you with another video. Thank you very much.